Hello goddesses, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be all about my current beauty obsessions, things that I seem to not get enough of these days. These are all things that I use regularly and they're all pretty affordable. I will be linking everything down in the description area, so if you are also interested, you'll be able to like Google search the name or just reference back to this video if you are at the store. Let's go ahead and hop into this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before we get started. It means the world to me. I love you guys so much. Let's go ahead and hop into product number one. We are gonna just start off with the big ticket item. Might as well just go big or go home. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that. This is actually a product that I have seen so much on TikTok. I have seen so much on Instagram. I've seen so much on other people's YouTube pages. This is kind of like a dupe for the Dyson, which is like a $400 blow dryer. But that it leaves your hair seamless and frizz-free, which this is all I did to my hair today. I didn't curl it or anything. It was fully wet out of the shower and it took me like 5 minutes to just kind of get this natural, wavy, effortless, blow-dried look. And the product that I'm talking about is this Revlon. Letting you guys know it is worth the investment. Everything else I kind of have, or everything else I have, is $20 and below. They have two colors. They have this pink color, which obviously pink is my favorite color, if you guys couldn't tell. They also have it in blue. This would also make for a great Christmas present if you have anybody in your life, in your family, that really likes to take care of their hair or that doesn't like to spend hours doing it. It's something quick, easy, anybody can use it, and it really does work great. So on to product number two, more about hair care. Now, if you guys are keeping up with my videos, you guys did see that I did go a lot lighter with my hair. And with that being said, you do add bleach to your hair, and bleach can be damaging. So you have to be a lot more delicate and use, different oils and things to just help strengthen your hair so it doesn't break. So every night before I go to bed, I've been using this GSQ Glam Squad. I get mine at CVS, but I've used this treatment. This is a Moroccan oil hair treatment. I just take a few pumps in the palms of my hands, rub it, kind of like get it warmed up. I start just doing kind of like a scalp massage in the back and then working the oil through the ends of my hair. I never do the top of my hair because I don't want it to get too greasy to where like the grease kind of like lands on the face area, because you don't want to break out with the oils, because it can happen if your hair is too oily, especially if the hair is hitting your face. So I like to just put it at the root ends on the back and to put it on the ends just to keep them nice, sealed, healthy, and to prevent your hair from damaging and breaking. Now for product number three, I went ahead and picked up a heat protector spray after I did the lash treatment on my hair, because you do want to protect your hair whenever you're putting any type of heat on it, because you don't want it to break. Now, I've had issues in the past when I had dyed my hair blonde. I kind of did like an ombre type of blonde look, and it completely broke off and it was horrifying. So in order to prevent that, definitely invest in really good hair care. So this one is just a heat protector. It's a straightening spray, but it's for smoothing and shine, and it smells so yummy. It doesn't look like it smells that yummy, but I'm telling you guys, this smells delicious. So your hair literally smells just, let me see. It just smells like exotic fruits, like really exotic, beautiful fruit. And just to like have the whiff of wind come across your hair and you just re-smell that, it's just really nice. Anyways, this brand is called Fantasia? Yeah. And it's a hair polish heat protector spray, but I do like to use this while my hair is wet. I'll spray it before I use the blow dryer or before like I curl my hair for the day. This is something just to help your hair. I also have an honorable mention, the Dumb Blonde shampoo and conditioner hair set. It is amazing. It is by Bedhead. I know that name sounds really funny, but that shampoo and hair conditioner combo is really good. It's definitely worth it. It helps keep your hair a nice tone, and it helps to rebuild again, because whenever you bleach your hair, dye it, whatever, you are breaking your hair down, so we want to rebuild. I would say that would be favorites number 4. So let's go ahead and hop into favorite number 5. Now, I have been really into like face yoga, and I actually started following Face Gym on Instagram. Now, they're not face yoga experts, but they do like, I guess, face sculpting by just working out the muscles in your face. One of the tools that they use is these Gua Sha tools. Now, this is not from the actual brand itself, but I've actually owned these already, and it's funny because these tools can be intimidating if you don't know what you're doing. I like going on their Instagram because they do full-on tutorials on how they use these tools, and even though these are both Gua Shas, they have different functions. I got this pink rose quartz Gua Sha at CVS. I know a lot of places carry these Gua Shas nowadays. And this one right here, I got this one surprisingly at Walmart. Walmart also carries Gua Shas, and these are actually made out of stone. So this is a jade and this is a rose quartz. So jade is a symbol for beauty and rose quartz is for love, so like self-love, but they both are great. And again, you can get these virtually anywhere nowadays: Sephora, Ulta, Target, Walmart. Like, I find them at Burlington Coat Factory. Like, you can literally find these tools everywhere. Product number 6, and this product really surprised me because it's $5. It is a $5 mascara that works wonders. This is from Essence. This is Princess or Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I saw this on TikTok and I was like, well, it's $5. Let me give it a try. Let me see if it actually works. I have fake lashes on right now, but in my previous video, the Goddess Empowerment Series video, I had no falsies on, but I did have just this mascara. It just kind of just opened your eyes a little bit more. I love the color. I love really dark lashes. And I think for $5, it's definitely worth a try. I got mine at Ulta, but you can also get it like at your local drugstore. Favorites number 7. So this product is from the Inkey List. This is the caffeine eye serum. This tube for about $10 is gonna last you a while, and it really helps just to like awaken your eyes, help diminish the dark circles that none of us really want to have, but some of us unfortunately naturally just have. So definitely worth a shot. I love this product. So favorites number 8 is from a brand called The Ordinary. Now, this brand is known for their very affordable prices, but not only that, they actually provide really great, phenomenal skincare. So all of their brand, again, is very affordable. I get mine at Ulta. You can also purchase it from their website. You can also purchase it at Sephora. Sometimes when I go in store, the selections are very sparse and limited because this brand has definitely been on the rise within the last year. Again, it's probably because they have a really good skincare at a really affordable price. But definitely if you go online, a lot of the products that you are looking for will definitely be there. This one is a hyaluronic acid 2% with a B5. This is just a serum that you can use day and night. Kind of helps refresh and rebuild the skin that you have. I have another product, my last product for today, which is just a moisturizer. Now, for me, I have combination skin, so it goes from being dry to being oily to being whatever it wants to be that day. So this moisturizer is one of the very few moisturizers that can handle like any condition your skin is in that day. Because even if it's oily, sometimes that just means it needs a little bit more hydration, so your body is working overtime and it's producing more oils. And when it's dry, obviously it does need that hydration. So this one is just their original moisturizer. I believe they have 2 types of moisturizer. This one is just the natural moisturizing factors with the hydrating serums that are built in there. Amazing. I love this product. That is it for my current beauty obsessions. Again, I'll have everything listed down below. Always remember though, goddesses, that true beauty always comes from within first. I love you guys all so much. Until next time.